The anthropology program is a really great opportunity for students to really explore cultures outside of what they might be used to. We have a number of different classes. Some of them are cultural anthropology classes that specifically focus on different cultures, but then we also have physical anthropology classes where we really examine different bones, different DNA, understand hereditary issues that might occur, so that way the student can really get a holistic viewpoint, not only of the individual in their culture, their music, their food, the clothing that they wear, but then also to their physical bodies and their compositions.
It's just such a fun field. You are learning literally the history of humans. We mix it up. We go through every department with anthropology. We'll have forensic, we'll have biology, we'll have linguistics. It's very hands-on, and I love learning like that. You're taking yourself out of this box. I would totally recommend it.
Students can really benefit from learning about anthropology because they can apply this information in every career that they happen to pursue. If you're going into healthcare, you need to understand different cultures and how they maybe want to receive information. If you're going into business, learning how to communicate with different cultures outside of your own can be really helpful. It's a really good opportunity for people to explore and really understand dimensions and aspects outside of their everyday world.